are holding this press conference in view of the Foundation Day of Aphlc to be celebrated on 21 January at Donkampi. Invitation to Aphlc Foundation Day celebration 2023. Welcome to all. We are very happy to inform all the people that the All-Party Hill Leaders Conference Aphlc of the Autonomous Districts of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dima, hasao of Assam is celebrating its 5th Foundation Day on the 21st day of January 2023. We invite you to join the celebration and encourage us for our struggle for survival of the scheduled tribes people. The celebration will be held at Donkampi, that is Bordongka, in West Karbi Anglong, Autonomous District of Assam. The program of celebration will begin at 9 a.m. The Aphlc is struggling for full implementation of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India and creation of autonomous state under Article 244A of the Indian Constitution, comprising the autonomous districts of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dima, hasao of Assam. All are aware that the hills people of the 3 hills districts of Assam are the poorest, economically and educationally most backward and mentally most unaware in Assam, according to reports published by different organizations. There are 1 lakh children who have not seen school. There are 14,000 child laborers and 9,000 child marriages in the year 2020. And 90% of dwelling houses of hills people are constructed of bamboo and mud plastered houses only. Now the numbers will be more. In 1951, scheduled tribe population was 96%. Now it has come down to below 50%. It is due to unabated encroachment of tribal land by non-Assamese, non-tribal people and foreigners from outside the 3 autonomous hills districts. This deplorable status has occurred because political, economic and educational powers of the tribes people are usurped by non-Assamese, non-tribal people and foreigners through the back doors of national political parties by violating provisions of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India and the Indian Constitution itself. Thank you. Nelly Nelly Tunki Pukela hello. Aphlc Foundation Day non arkoi inquiry siarni Donkampi along si dopo Donkampi puke lake non pubong abordongkal bordong ka pugela ke itum alam kali de amunit ke adet ke itum adet pina na sinil itum don kam pi along si foundation day dopo halabang sorni jok ta nang dun et nang ji pusi nilitum choning rile phere re pin pen ning oi e pin pen ning mesen pen ning karong pen nang chetong dun tha pusi tribes atum phan an ke choning rile la pen ilitum la Aphlc ke do ia ke asamang bong ke Karbi Anglong pen NC Hills la pen West Karbi Anglong hello ki duk nei economic mane la Chorana na tu, Worenga na tu, ilitum kiduk nai kachotikia na tuta kiduk nai la pen kachini neta ilitum ke akele tu pik pusi bang army tum ta kaning jel la pen army tum ta pulo Karbi Anglong ke in botang lu pusi kaning je la bang inquiry et office kaning je kang bo bang la hello Harokresir kebra pokebra isian ingkan ke ilitum inglong asuatum bang harong bong pen bang troksir kebra trok du non surihini ra kresian ingkan ke bang harong bong pen bang klikebra troksi baksi dolo cethana ling seta bang pokeb ke kalilun aberlo an ke a loting pulotante ilitum Karbi Anglong pusiki pu bomji la pen ke tribal areas pusiki pu bomji pulotang te $60 teng pen pulotang te ong in nei sita bang harong bong pen bang pokebrai sige dovek nanji tanon ke bang pokebrai sige avelu la helo kang bo pu ia de ilitum kang bo ke political aja kong economic aja kong education aja kong ta ke chia tum si cerai lap le a ot e pen nang tidun lap le la pen a pot paper long ta newspaper long ta klang lo birta long ta klang lo la pen ason statistics along ta klang lo Karbi Anglong de lak isi Karbio also maratum school okay tek dun long le lak dun long le lak tek long le lang pusia da ketok la pen ke suri krip li also maratu Karbio so maratu ban si ke duk pusi dak report ta nangali ban si ke dolo nang litum solang do a newspaper long lang tami la solam la pen statistics along ta doji Assam government along ta la pen ke kiduk pen a jok kachini ne pen a jok arta kavi au somartum penan ke do pisu ke ta suri sirkep pusi dak do lage 2020 ningkan suri hinira inkoy ningkan non ke suri hinira inkoy ke thomlo non ke ong tu buchot ko lai hui ke plan ia theke ilitum a political aja kong education aja kong lapen ke economic aja kong ke chia tum nang tidun ya nang ki tidun ta la national party ko tum king ben si backdoor pen mane anung atau war ha hem anung atau war pen si ang hu hem anung ang hap pen si nang ki ludun si nang ki tidun ilitum inglong arak akhe a hem anung ana tu pen si nang ki tidun ta ang hap abang ta la political national political party itu melu Congress BJP CPIM latum melu latum king bersinang dun la sinon elitum inglong aso la pen Karbi tum ke dukret lo la pen ki vir si non dam bom lo la so kapi vir vedet ya pansi kapi vir long ledet ya pansi nelitum Aphlc ke song bom lo la long kadung ko vita nang cerap dun bom lo Chorolo nang cerap dun bom lo aku nang cerap dun tu buncot na la usi kadoi panda choning rilo la pen ke la foundation day mo inquiry sir ni Januari don kam pialong kadoi panda choning rilo nang dun tu busi kardo
Arnisi panan wet kadila bang so.
Arnisi be. Bagi ser cap pen.
Nang litum la Karbi Anglong pen ang tan Karbi tumhan stomach ke phal la puson dom.
Dolo. Karbi Anglong ke ang tan ke dua Karbi itu mana phalo. Cuma ngatum tanang dunji pulo. Boro tum tanang dunji pulo. La pen Tripura pen ta wangji pulo. Nagaland pen, Mizoram pen, Meghalaya pen ta wangji pusi alam do. Boroland pen do.
Sorry.
Assamese tum da doji. Assamese tum da doji.
Sorry, we see out of topic. Alama pathak arju chini tung la non lom KSA claim bang khu la pen hala Sri Mongol la lam penang an lam ki la so pathak lam ki ke klang do la si la so pathak nang le tum la APHC hoi pen ko pilo sar la so pathak la
Hemanu gilut para la so lam bang ni di tum chisik et lo pini si ke dami pul hala bang so hemalo amasi birta ke pinili tum wangi pulau non birta long lelang bodi long lelang manem ni tum ni wa namra ko aning oi thulak na puta pamatha amasi birta ke en lasi dami pulau ni tum arju dami kopia themala kopi mala ka chaplan athema ni tum garjulong ating ke civil dress pen si police pu se krong pu bodi lasi ke lut police mang police kalidat ma athema chu ke damtang KAAC Council election होता पुलिस पुचे क्रॉन्ग सी RSS तुम सी पुलिस address a uniform ching choice सी पुलिस पुचे क्रॉन्ग सी कामे क्लेम पु बodi hala polling station na long anta la si nonta RSS atuma bongo sena atuma la hem kilut la si ni tum la arjudam pe meji puche mata